Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review by the True by Made Beautiful Damage Control Repairing collection. So I'm going in with the deep treatment mask that has mango, shea butter, rice water, and guave, and it's supposed to repair and restore possibly damaged hair or just dry hair. You guys, this collection had a lot of good slip. The smell was amazing. It went onto my hair really nice. And so as you can see, I am just working it through my hair, sectioning it in 4 sections just to make sure that the product is applied evenly. And then I'm going to go in with my plastic cap for about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that it is all set. Now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair, I am going in with the Repairing Texture Defining Cream. And so again, I'm just sectioning my hair in about 6 to 7 sections and doing some big chunky twists. I would have to say this styler was probably my favorite product of the collection. I loved all of the products. I just loved how this one was nice and creamy and thick, and it just really coated onto my hair really nicely. And then at the end, you will see how defined my curls are. And now that I've came from under the hooded dryer and I'm just finishing unraveling my twist, I noticed that my hair was still slightly damp, you guys. So I had to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that my hair was fully dry. Again, for this hairstyle, you want to make sure your hair is dry so that you get that volume that you want. I don't want to have any of my hair left wet or damp because then it can get frizzy and fuzzy, and that's not the look I'm going for. So as I am drying my hair, this only took maybe about 5 minutes. Then I'm going in with my pick to fluff it out, and this is the final look, you guys. Not quite the final look. I had to go in with my edge control and just kind of lay down to my hair to make sure that it's slicked back in place. And so this is actually the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow your girl on Instagram. It's at Miriammblog_. Again, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.